10 no-carb foods with no sugar. If you're trying to eat healthier and limit your sugar intake, then you'll love these no-carb foods with no sugar. They are perfect for anyone who is trying to cut back on carbs and limit their sugar intake. Keep reading to learn more about these amazing alternatives. A low-carb diet can be beneficial for weight loss, especially in the belly area, and naturally, restricting carbs can also help reduce sugar cravings and prevent you from overeating at other meals. These foods tend to be lower in carbohydrates than other foods, which makes them a great choice if you want to eat less of it and lose weight faster. Before we get into today's video, here's a product you may like: Alpilin. Introducing the powerful weight loss supplement that can help you shed those extra pounds faster than ever before. The product is formulated with natural ingredients that work together to increase your body's core temperature, which can help boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. With regular use, you'll see noticeable results and feel more confident in your body. Plus, the supplement is designed to support your overall health and wellness. Don't wait any longer to start your weight loss journey. Try the supplement today and see the difference for yourself. With the product by your side, your weight loss goals are within reach. If you are interested in Alpilin, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss out on our latest videos. Cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice has become a popular low-carb and low-sugar alternative to traditional rice, pasta, and grains. This nutritious vegetable is low in calories, high in fiber, and contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their diet. Cauliflower rice is made by chopping cauliflower into small pieces or pulsing it in a food processor until it reaches a rice-like consistency. This can then be cooked in a pan with a little oil or butter until tender, creating a versatile base for a variety of dishes. One of the benefits of cauliflower rice is that it is much lower in carbohydrates and sugars than traditional rice, pasta, and grains. For example, 1 cup of cooked white rice contains around 45 grams of carbohydrates, while the same amount of cauliflower rice contains only about 5 grams of carbohydrates. This makes cauliflower rice an excellent choice for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet, as well as those looking to reduce their overall sugar intake. In addition to being low in carbs and sugar, cauliflower rice is also a good source of fiber, which is important for maintaining digestive health and promoting feelings of fullness. It also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium, which are important for overall health and well-being. Udon noodles. To get the benefits of eating low-carb while still enjoying a satisfying meal, try having a bowl of udon noodles instead of a bowl of ramen with wheat-based sauce. Udon noodles are made from soybeans and contain very little carbs or sugar. You can find them in the Asian section of most supermarkets or grocery stores. Udon noodles can be served with veggies for a low-carb, vegetarian meal. You can also make low-carb noodles at home by using wheat-free tamari soy sauce, which is an option for those who are soy-free. Add cooked vegetables and your choice of protein to complete this low-carb meal. Eggs. Eggs are one of the few foods that are protein-rich and low in carbs. A carton of eggs comes in protein packs of 10, 12, or 18 eggs and is perfect for making low-carb omelets or poached eggs. You can also make egg sandwiches, deviled eggs, or a protein shake. Salted and unsalted eggs have the same protein content, but different flavors and tastes. Cheese also has a low-carb option as an alternative to ricotta, cottage cheese, or other low-carb cheese. Cheddar and other hard cheeses are low in carbs, while soft cheeses like ricotta are relatively high in sugar. To make low-carb cheese, mix 1 part low-carb cheese with 1 part heavy cream or milk. Beef. Beef is high in iron, protein, and provides essential amino acids, making it a great low-carb protein option. Lean beef can be substituted for ground beef in recipes or eaten on its own for lunch. Steak is another great healthy meat choice, but avoid fatty beef for high-fat beef. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is low in carbs and loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. It can be substituted for other fish in recipes or eaten on its own for dinner. It's great for heart health and is low in mercury, which makes it an excellent choice for the kids too. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower blood pressure. Researchers have also found that people who consume more omega-3s have a lower risk of developing heart disease. Salmon is a great source of protein, which provides muscles with energy and helps maintain lean muscle mass during weight loss. It's also rich in minerals such as potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. Tuna and other lean seafood. Tuna is loaded with protein and is a great alternative to fatty fish like salmon. Other types of lean seafood that are low in carbs and high in nutrients include mollusks, scallops, shrimp, and salmon. Shrimp, crab, and octopus are low in carbs and rich in protein, making them ideal seafood choices. Seafood is a great protein-rich option for low-carb diets, as it's low in carbs and very high in protein. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Beef jerky. Beef jerky is a low-carb snack that can be easily packed for a trip or thrown into a school lunchbox. It's high in protein and low in carbs, making it perfect for any low-carb diet. Low-carb jerky is also high in fiber and contains no preservatives or artificial ingredients, making it a healthy snack option for everyone. Be careful when choosing beef jerky, as some brands are loaded with sugar and salt. Look for beef jerky that's low in carbs and high in protein, and is free from any added sugar or salt. Beef jerky is one of the best low-carb foods you can have, and it can be enjoyed as a snack anytime. Baked goods without sugar added. Baked goods are often high in sugar, making them a no-go on a low-carb diet. However, there are a few options that don't have sugar added to them. Many no-sugar-added baked goods are still high in carbs and should be eaten sparingly. Coffee cake and banana bread are two good options that have no sugar added. Try to eat the whole banana bread before it's completely gone, as they are extremely high in carbs and should be eaten sparingly. Many no-sugar-added baked goods still contain wheat flour, so these foods should be consumed in moderation and only on days that you are on a low-carb diet. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in protein and nutrients and are low in carbs. They are great for a low-carb diet as they are nutritious and filling. You can add them to salads, muesli, smoothies, or oatmeal for a nutritious, filling breakfast. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower blood pressure. They can be added to oatmeal and salads for a healthy boost of heart-healthy fats. Sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E, which has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and promote healthy blood vessels. It can be added to salads, oatmeal, or used as a snack. Tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soy food that is high in protein and vitamins. It can be substituted for tofu in stir-fries or added to soups and salads. It's naturally low in carbs and high in protein, making it a nutritious, filling, low-carb alternative to tofu. Be careful when selecting tempeh that it doesn't contain added sugar or salt. You want to make sure it's fermented, nutritious, and low in carbs. Tempeh is one of the best low-carb foods you can have, and it can be enjoyed as a snack or added to soups and stir-fries for a nutritious and filling meal. That's it from us today, guys. We hope you enjoyed and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye for now.